You need to go flush the vape down the toilet right now. Go, Anisha. What do you mean flush it down the toilet? Flush the vape, so if SLT come in here and search us, the vape will be gone down the sewers. I just bought this as well. What's more important, losing a £5 vape or getting permanently excluded? Let's go, Anisha, come on, flush! He's nearly here. Hurry, 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 hurry. It's not flushing! What? The vape won't fucking flush! Then take it out and put it in another toilet. Ladies! Ladies, ladies, ladies.